Hi, and welcome to CYP's AV Academy. Today we'll be introducing the PU-1201-KIT. The PU-1201-KIT is an entry-level, full 4K, full HDR compatible CAT cable extension kit. This kit requires a Cat6A or Cat7 cable to function at its full distance, which is around 40 meters at full 4K 18 gigs per second. It has some quite unique I/O features, so let's have a look at the physical unit. The transmitter has a local HDMI input and an EDID dial for selecting the correct data setting. On the rear side we have the power input, we also have the Cat6 output and a local HDMI output, perfect for running to a local TV. On the receiver we also have a local HDMI input, which is switched via the switch you can see here. On the other side of it we have our CAT cable input, our HDMI output and a de-embedded analog stereo audio output. Let's have a little look about how we'd set a basic system up using the PU-1201-KIT. You input your source to the transmitter, and of course you can take that local output to your local television. You then simply run across the CAT cable to the receiver, where you can add that local source as well as the remote source. Then simply connect the HDMI output to your remote television, and of course don't forget you can use a stereo audio connection to an amplifier or powered speakers. This simple kit adds a lot of flexibility to any single source installation. Thanks very much for joining us today here at CYP's AV Academy. For more information you can always visit cypeurope.com, or you can check out more videos on our YouTube channel. And remember, all of this recording was made using CYP hardware. Thanks, and we'll see you again. Bye bye.